In today's video, what we will be doing is to get this outline, this white outline, if you can see around this runner. It's pretty easy to do. So what we can do is we will add a page. We have this background here only because otherwise the white outline won't be seen clearly. So what we can do is, let's say for example, you can change this to any color you want. If you look up here, you can change it to orange, pink, whatever color that you want. So for now, maybe to differentiate from this one, the previous one, let's change it to maybe a blue. Okay, so we need an image. So let's go to elements. You can choose either elements, or let's go to my upload and choose this man. Okay, now we've chosen this one. Let's make it closer so that it's easier. Okay, we can just put him in the middle here. Now what we can do is, let's say I want to flip him to the other side. So you click this to highlight it. Okay, if you click out, it's not highlighted. You click it to highlight it. You go to flip. You can flip vertical, which makes him upside down, or you can flip him horizontal. So now you can either move this with your mouse to the middle. As you can see, you saw the lines here, horizontal and the vertical lines, or let's say it's here, you just go back here and it is already in the middle, because if you see here, you see the middle line here, the horizontal line, it's already there. So because of that, that won't be an option because it's already in the middle. Now to test it, let's say I offset it a bit. See, the middle part comes again. So you click the middle, goes to the middle, and you click center, goes to the center. Okay, so now that we've put it in the middle, rather center, you need to duplicate. So highlight it and you duplicate that. You just move it down for a while. You click that, you go to edit image. When you go to edit image, you will have these options here. You go down to dual tone, okay, and you don't have to click see all. You just click one. Let's say you click pop. So only this one, because you've highlighted it, that will change. Now, we don't want that color because we need a white outline, right? So we click the filters, and for the highlights, go to white. And for the shadows, you go to white as well. Then you apply. Now these are the filters here. You can see those little arrows, not arrows, those are filter lines. So now that's changed, okay? So you bring this back up. Let's just focus it a bit more. Now what you do is, let's bring this a bit more closer, zoom in. So you take this and you align it right over that. And then what you do is you bring it down a bit. Zoom, you can see you bring it down a bit. Let me just zoom it in a bit. And that's how it is. Now, if you want to adjust, if you use your mouse, you can adjust it, but it goes up a few pixels. You can't really control it a bit. So what you can do is you use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Okay, you can go and it moves like, I think, 1 pixel at a time, and you can control it. It's left, right, up, down, okay? And you can adjust it a bit more if you want. Okay, let's see, here like this, and go. If you don't want this, and adjust it the way you want it. And there you go. Zoom out a bit more. And there it is. You have the white outline. Similar to this. You can change the background, of course. You can make it any color you want. Pink. Any color that you want. So I hope you like this, and this is a tip that you might use. Please subscribe and do like, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for when I do more videos. Bye.